Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my November month GlamEgo box. So this is the box for this month, and this is absolutely gorgeous looking box for this month too. I'm truly loving all the boxes GlamEgo is sending, and I love this one too. You can see here GlamEgo is written this side, and then this month's box is too full, so here it is. And this month we have the pattern design here, and the box is full. So let's start. So festive season is going on, so this month's box is also same like that, and it says festive season is all about spending time and knowing loved ones more and more. So this is what we are going to do here on this unboxing video. So I'm going to share 5 facts about me and also 5 facts about GlamEgo. So the first fact is that GlamEgo always sends you 100% original and genuine products, and the products that they send you, they are directly sourced from the premium and luxury brands. So they are the product of that kind that you can use every day, and that's the reason GlamEgo has lakhs of happy and satisfied customer all over India. I think the most important fact about GlamEgo is that you get 4 times of what you pay. So that is why GlamEgo is totally the #1 subscription box of India. Now we come to 5 facts about me. So the first fact about me is that I'm 43 years old, and when I was small, until I think 6th or 7th grade, I hardly ever used to take care of my hair. And I have studied in Hindi medium school, that was purely Hindi medium school. So we used to call our teachers Acharya ji. And the fourth fact about me would be that I am very eager to get my past life regression done. That's something on my bucket list, and I would love to do it as soon as possible. So now we come to the last fact, that I'm very bad at taking medicine. I have a lot of problem in swallowing any kind of medicine, and the capsules are the worst. So these were all the 5 facts about me. Let's open the box now. And as I showed you guys, the box was too full, and it is literally too full. And the first thing that I have here is from my favorite brand, which is BellaVoste. So they have sent a liquid lipstick, and I can't thank them enough that they had given me the shade which is Gothy Plum, and I am in love with this shade. So this is the shade that I am wearing right now. And as soon as I saw that the shade was Gothy Plum, I was like flabbergasted. So this is the shade that I've got, and I'm truly loving it. And this is also not a drying lipstick at all. So if you're looking for one lipstick that won't dry your lips, do try this one. The second product is by Biobloom, and this is their body mist, and the variant that I got is Water Lily. And let me just try this. This is so fresh. I love it. So now we come to the third product, and this is by Sesa, and this is their mud hair spa kit. So I have already used this kit, and I truly loved it. So you guys can see the video up right here somewhere, so you can go check that out. My length of hair, you can use it 2 times. So please do check out that review of this hair spa kit. Next we have this activated charcoal powder for natural teeth whitening. Now charcoal is very in now, and we get all kinds of product for skin, for teeth. So I'm truly looking forward to using this on my teeth and having a beautiful smile. Now this is the last product that I've got, and this is a sample size, and this is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. And it says it softens, relieves rough and dry skin, 24-hour moisture. So these are all the products that I've gotten in my truly awesome GlamEgo box. So in this month's GlamEgo box, we have gotten 1450 rupees worth of products, plus the sample product from the Palmer's. So this is why GlamEgo box is India's #1 subscription box. Do check out the link below. So that's all for this video of truly amazing unboxing of GlamEgo box, and I'm totally in love with this lip shade. I can't say enough for this. That's all for the video guys, and happy Dhanteras to you all. Bye guys.